this morning after my little mishap yesterday of trying to shoot one with the guillotine and it floating right over its head, and then taking another shot. We kind of determined that I hit all feathers. It was way too far forward, and then I shot again, but we're not going to talk about that. But we're out here where we started, and at my buddy's property, so I'm going to try the guillotine again if a jig comes in, but if not, then I'll just stick with the G5s. Yesterday on that Tom with the guillotine floating right over its head. Then shooting him at 30 yards and not being able to find him. And we pretty much were sure that I just went through the feathers because he was kind of strutted a little bit. I got this other tom still right out here, so whew. That first shot on him I think was money though. Because it looked like he was gonna like almost hunker down and lay down. I think he was dead, but I just wanted to get another one in him real quick. Man, and this morning they were lighting up and then dead for an hour or two, and then they light up and then dead, and then all of a sudden they just lit up down here and just came in, come running right in. Got it done. Didn't get it done with the guillotine, but that's alright. Oh, man.
Alright, we just climbed out of the blind. We're gonna go grab my turkey, and that other one just ran off. He was still right here. That was my first arrow. And we watched the video, and you can just see the blood pouring out of him. So that first shot, he was definitely going to die. But I wasn't going to let another one run off, so I stuck another one in him, and he went down right away. Shot him with the Havoc. Well, we got a gray Michigan bird down this morning. It was a great hunt. They were fired up right off the roost, and they would go silent for a while, but we ended up just sitting it out, and ended up having these two toms come running in right out of the creek bottom and right up into this field, and was able to get it done with the bow this year.
Harvest Salad by Real World Wildlife Products. The Harvest Salad consists of 3 cereal grains along with the Austrian winter peas. They recommend you plant this 50 to 60 days before your first hard frost, which here in the Midwest, that is late August, beginning of September. If you plant the Harvest Salad too early, you'll notice that it matures a lot quicker, and during season you'll notice a less desirable taste to the deer. Now before you plant the Harvest Salad, you need to make sure you have a weed-free seed bed, as clean as humanly possible. After you've broadcasted or drilled in your Harvest Salad, you need to make sure you cultipack it. You do not want the seed more than a quarter to a half an inch deep at the most. Whether you're a first-time food plotter or an avid food plotter, it doesn't matter. Harvest Salad is one of the best fall food plot blends there is on the market today. To learn more, you can go to realworldwildlifeproducts.com, or you can find the dealer nearest you.